Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting now. Remove lids and rinse the jar. Fill the sink or a basin with very warm water and 1-2 drops of dish soap to loosen glue. Soak for 10-20 minutes. While it soaks, mix a paste of baking soda and a few drops of water to use as a mild abrasive. Once the label edge lifts slightly, use a plastic scraper at a low angle to peel. Keep steady pressure to avoid chipping glass. Once the paper is off, you'll likely see sticky residue. Apply oil to dissolve it and let sit for 5-10 minutes. If oil alone won't cut it, dab rubbing alcohol or acetone on a cloth and gently rub. The solvent breaks down adhesives. Make sure to ventilate the area and avoid acetone on painted surfaces. After the glue loosens, scrub with the baking soda paste and a non-metal scrub pad. Rotate between solvent and scrub to remove layers without scratching. Finish by washing the jar thoroughly with hot, soapy water to remove oil and solvent traces. Dry with a lint-free cloth so no streaks remain. If the label area is textured or embossed, use a small brush to get into grooves, then wipe clean. If any adhesive persists, reapply your solvent and allow extra dwell time rather than aggressive scrubbing. One key troubleshooting tip: when residue won't budge, heat with warm water or a hairdryer for 1 to 2 minutes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.